Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can backdate any Facebook post. If you have probably made a post in the past and then you want to backdate the date of the post, you want to edit the date you actually posted the post to make it change to another date. Here's how to do it. In this case, we are not going to be using the Facebook mobile app. We'll be accessing our Facebook profile from a browser, so you can use any browser of your choice, but in this case I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So when you get to Google Chrome, you type Facebook here, facebook.com, then you log in. When you log into your profile, then you now click on the three icons on the top right hand corner where you'll be able to switch to a desktop site. Switch to a desktop site. When you switch to a desktop site, and then from there you'll be able to access your profile and edit your post to any date you like. I'm going to show you real quick. Now go to your profile. When you get to your profile, then select any post of your choice. Select any post of your choice. Here is one post I made. So click on the three icons here. When you click on it, it will bring a drop down. You can see there is a section that says edit date here. Click on edit dates, and then from there you can be able to edit the day you made this post and even the time that you made the post from here. So once you edit it, click on done, so it will be edited and it will save. Let me click on any date, for instance, then click on done. That means the date I made the post has been edited and it's now changed. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I made another post. Thank you.